In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to explore Binance Trending Coins in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just starting your journey, knowing which coins are trending can provide helpful insights for your investment decisions. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to the Binance website. Binance is a leading cryptocurrency exchange where you can trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a wide array of altcoins. It's renowned for its comprehensive features and reliable service. Make sure you're logged into your account for a seamless experience. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Markets tab. It's prominently displayed and easy to spot. Clicking on Markets is your gateway to exploring different trading pairs and trends. This section of Binance provides a comprehensive overview of all available trading pairs on the platform, including various currencies and tokens. After entering the Markets section, your next step is to navigate to Trading Data. Click on this option to delve deeper into the available market data. Here, you'll find a treasure trove of information that can help you make informed decisions and spot potential investment opportunities. Trading data gives you insight into how various cryptocurrencies are performing at any given time. Now, it's time to focus on the top gainers. When you click on Top Gainers, you are presented with a list of cryptocurrencies that have experienced the highest price increases over a specific period. This section is particularly useful for spotting trends and identifying coins that are currently in the spotlight. It's a great way to see which cryptocurrencies are gaining momentum and could potentially yield high returns. Once you have the list of top gainers in front of you, take the time to tap on any coin that piques your interest. By doing so, you'll get access to detailed information and charts regarding that particular coin. This is where you can explore its historical performance, current price movements, and other relevant metrics. Having a clear view of a coin's trajectory can aid in assessing its potential, while charts will help you to visualize trends and make more informed decisions. As you navigate through this information, remember to consider various factors such as market volume, liquidity, and news that might affect the cryptocurrency market. It's crucial to stay informed and cautious, especially in a market known for its volatility. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to explore the trending coins on Binance in 2025, giving you a strategic advantage in your cryptocurrency endeavors. Remember to approach each potential investment with care and diligence. Thanks for watching and happy trading.